Hey guys, it's Mary. Today I received my HSN haul from Craft Day, which was last week. And unfortunately, the main thing that I was so excited to get was the We Are Memory Keepers lap desk. And it had all of the easy grip tools, and it had tweezers with a light and glasses with a light, and I was so excited for it to come. And I ended up, I'm gonna have to send it back. I boxed it up already. Bear sending me a new one, but everything was fine except for the magnifying glasses and the light. There's a little light on each stem, you know, when you're wearing them to, you know, help when you're doing close-up work. And you could barely see the light. And I thought, well, this is really weird, you know. And so I went back and I looked at the video, and the video, they were bright. Not as bright as the tweezers, but really bright. So they are going to send me a new one. And I have to send the other one back. So that'll be a different video, unfortunately. But let me show you what I did get. I bought another one of the Diamond Press, the storage boxes. By the time I made up my mind, they only had the Nutcracker one left. And even though I'm not going to use it for Christmas, the one that I have, it sits on the bookshelf in a closet. So I thought, who cares? If it, you know, nobody's going to see it. And I've been waiting and wanting one because the other one's getting pretty full. So I was excited. So I got one of those, but I'm not going to show you because everybody knows what that looks like. And then I got another. They had special clearance. So I was able to get one of the Diamond Press binders. I have the teal ones or the turquoise or whatever, but this was, they only had the black, but I love these binders and they hold a lot. So I was happy to get that. But for some new stuff, I got the Crafter's Companion, the Christmas set of gilding flakes. And it came with 48 little kind of foam pieces that you can use the flakes on. Then it came with the whole gilding flake kit. And then glue pins. So it was a good price. And I have, the last time they had these, I got the, I think it's like the rose, the lavender, the purple, that one, but they didn't have this whole set. They just had the gilding flakes, so I bought those. So I'm happy with that. And let me see what else I got. Oh, I got some the paper from Crafty Chica. And the other day, I bought I had bought a long time ago, but I was on back order, and that was the Day of the Dead stamp and die set from Diamond Press. So this was on sale, and I thought these papers would be perfect to go with that set. And so it came with a 6x6 pad, 24 double-sided pages, and then the 12x12 pad with 24 double-sided pages. They're a slick card, you know. It's not paper, it's more like card, but it's that slick card. So I usually stay away from that, but I couldn't resist. So it's not my favorite, but the paper, all the pictures and everything are. So I'm pretty excited. And then on that special sale they had, I picked up 2 stamp sets from a company I've never bought from. Excuse me. Let me get something to drink. Hopefully that's better. It's not better. That's so weird, okay. Pardon me. So they're called Stamps by Me. And there was a set of 2 of them. And they are layered stamps. So I fell in love with the, you know, this one's got the watercolorless splotch to make, and then it's got a more masculine, you know, the boat, and then it's got the hummingbird. This one's called New Adventures, and it came together. This one's called Be Yourself. And it's got the flowers, different flowers and stuff, and then it's got some nice sayings. And it says here, it's got a QR code for instructions. And I guess this company is from UK, and I guess they've been around for like 10 years. Tony and Tim is their names. So so let's take a look. And see. Maybe, maybe not. All right, hold on. It's just a stamp set, so I'm not sure what it's caught on. But it is definitely stuck. There we go. Oh, that was exhausting. All right. So it's got the 2 stamps. And then this one says, think different, beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. Happy birthday to you. I like that, it's very small. I like the font. In case no one has told you this today, you are worthy, you are beautiful, you are doing a great job. Oh, that's so nice. Being honest may not get you many friends, but it will help you get the right ones. All good things are wild and free. Confidence will never let you go out of style. Actually, I can. Until further notice, celebrate everything. So I really like those sayings. That is really nice. So that is you Be Yourself. Some pretty little flowers. I really do like those sayings. And then let's see this one. All right, so it's got that watercolor, like this pattern. It's got the ship. It's got hummingbird, another bird lost at sea. Thank you, be yourself, just breathe. A winner is a dreamer who never gave up. Together is a beautiful place to be, feel good. This is cool. This looks like it's a rope. You can't change the wind, but you can always adjust your sails. Oh, I love that. Let new adventures begin, whatever floats your boat. So I really like that. I thought this one is going to be bigger. It looks like it's bigger on the card, but I guess it's in proportion. So I can't wait to try those. I'm really really enjoying the silhouette stamps that I have. I have quite a few from Gina K. So I like that. So that's Stamps by Me. That was, like I said, a 2-pack. And then I got Diamond Press, because you know I love Diamond Press. All right, let me find the spatula. So let me know in comments what you picked up on Craft Day. Let me know if you got that We Are Memory Keepers laptop desk, and if you did, if you had any problems with any of the pieces. Seemed like the magnifying glasses were a bit flimsy, so I'm a little concerned about that. But we'll see when the new one comes. Hopefully the lights work, because that's the whole point, is having those little lights for close-up work. So, all right, so this is the Walk in Faith kit, and I have some other faith-based stamps and dies from them, Diamond Press, but I just thought this one was so nice, and I love this cross that it makes. And of course it comes with a folder. So I just love this cross here. So let's take a look at the stamps. Oh. God is love, and in his word I put my trust. So pretty. He is the way, the truth, and the light. And then there's different flowers. This says faith, love, hope. This one says give it to God. And then more littler flowers. These are roses and stuff here. Walk in faith. Praise God, from where all blessings flow. With God, all things are possible. And then this really pretty branch with leaves, and then extra leaves there. So let's take a look. You know, they always give you instructions. So it's just showing how to use the cross. It's so pretty. So it's got the two, it's the background, or the, and then the actual fancy inlay. So it's showing you how to use that. And then the flowers, the leaves, the dies, which dies go with which flowers. Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's this one right here. This is real pretty. I like the way it kind of dips. And then it's big enough for those little tiny sayings. And then the bigger flowers, the leaves. And then it's showing you the stamps, that sentiment stamps that we just went over. So I just thought it was really pretty. And I really, like I said, love this cross. It's going to be so pretty. So that's it. Walk in faith. So, as I said, let me know what you picked up. Let me know if you've gotten all your stuff. I was happy that everything came. I was worried that things would be on extended delivery because the last time, I don't know, it seemed like several weeks that things were on extended delivery, and I always worry that I'll get a notice that says they're canceled or something. You know, that always worries me. And in fact, I just got 2 emails on auto ships from Crafter's Companion. They had shaped cards, and I did the auto ship so I could get the camera, and I just got an email saying that the camera is delayed and it might take 45 more days to get it. So I'm really worried that I'm not going to get it. Something's going to happen. So, but I guess that's a chance you take still with everything that's going on with shipping and stuff. So anyway, so that's it. When I get the replacement for the We Are Memory Keepers desk set, I will do a video and let you know. I was so excited for it because it had all the comfort things, because I'm pretty sure I'm getting arthritis in this hand. Not sure if it's just a coincidence that that's the hand that I had the carpal tunnel surgery last year, but I don't know. But anything to help will be an improvement. So, all right, so that's it. Craft Day, October, what do you call it? October craft, I don't know what it was, but done. I think I have one more thing coming because I ordered it late, and that's the bows, the holiday bows from Crafter's Companion. And so I'll let you know when that comes. We'll make some bows. So, all right, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate any time that you take to come and spend some time watching on the channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're thinking about it, you can hit the subscribe button, and then there's a little bell, and that, if you do that one, that'll give you notifications when there's a new video to be had. I just signed up for the Stamps of Life new club. I was a diehard club member, but it just got too much, so I quit about a year ago. So now they have a folded, and I do love their foldeds, so I'm going to give it a go. So you'll be seeing that, those videos starting in November. So hopefully they'll be cute. So, all right, that's it. Let me know in comments, like I said, what you got from Craft Day, and if you've gotten the We Are Memory Keepers desktop. So, all right, that's it. Till next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching.